ABTV Africa. Ose, Ogyefo Hwan. My grandma na kama sumasem, amamati, niaminem yasi, say o shabrana senkrabia. Biboni ana seti boni, ebusia me free mu diamenti asio. Minya mi chemasi. Yeah. Missy one grand over Kamasumasam. I'm a mountain, Yaminam Yasi. Yana a gram yamidian yet dead. A ban is saying, Nadane Bonunay, a Bushamus Sambiaso Simio. Wine crown, a major for Ogyefo Wayo. A jametime was yo, Ogyefo Wayo. I don't fight. Ogyefo Wayo. Eja metime wasio. Ogyefo Wayo. Odonfaje ajisewa. Baby sasa busia bena frimu. Na senkra na wabusia tie. Odi chamia na south samia. Ogyefo kwani eradi. Ya jaruma ya boni.
What about this place?
Second Despot house.
Okay.
Yeah, this Second Despot. And then you see this building?
Yeah.
I don't cook And here, this one. You see this one? See the bounce right there? You see it? Yeah. Otunfo.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I build my house, I will save it.
Yes.
The others.
You are safe.
Okay.
I teach you for the bar. The house has no be on motorman. I want to come. I want to this side. Say, I hand will be the didn't copy you. What's the mature? You understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah, this side, when even a blono crown, open many open so trouble. Yes. The 100 and come. You don't have any problem, okay?
Okay.
This is genuine land. You see this house?
Yeah.
That company,
Despite
or the car company, on the cars, them things. Yeah, Akua things, so I don't go man. And so this one. And I take a course for something in it. And so if you Tiahano, the executive square, Tiahano, only problem. This side, you don't go there.
The other place is road, eh?
Yeah, this one is road. Yeah, half road here. Timber from Beguso. There's it. Yeah. Two only problem. Why? What that?
And then where is the pole? Okay, the pole over there.
Yeah, this one. This pole.
The other one.
No, the other one is here.
Okay.
Come this one. Yeah. You don't have any problem. It's genuine land. And to be a piano. Obaa, we enter, we light in Wahano. We despite company.
Okay, I'm buying land, though. I'm buying land. I'm buying land, though.
What? Nasa City, go come. You ever told me? Why? You ever told me? You buy like son. You buy son.
Son, which son?
And you buy some.
And
you bring you some.
Okay,
Yeah. The one used to build the house.
Ah, okay,
yeah,
son.
Cool. Yeah. You don't have any problem.
Okay.
Yeah. They are all my friends. That cars, the baby cars. If you need some, I'll call them and bring you. Okay. You don't have problem. It's genuine land.
Now, you who give you this land? Who you are a big man inside this community?
Oh yeah. I mean, no, as you see me now. I don't matter about the engine. Yeah.
Because I've been seeing people, they greet you, people they call.
Oh yeah, everybody know me here. As you see me, know so I am. Yeah. How are you? It's my boy.
Your boy.
It's my boy. Yeah.
Hey.
It's really problem. Just I send you out that. Okay. Well, Ukra, you are lucky. Obi na pesca. I didn't offer say 2 points. Say the catch the one. Oh here's car. Can you say quantum? Cause a debate with this crana. Quantum. What I say? You are lucky. Huh? You are lucky. No problem. Don't have to borrow. Okay. This land here is for someone. This one so Jama Nvidia. If you start this land here,
this place
is for Sojaman. So do make no go there.
Okay.
If I na say oye ya ade ba kwa me tokura nipa oye boni aye
me so ade ba kwa me so me mpeni nipa wo ye papa wo nye nsie ade ba kwa me so me chiri kura mpo no wo wi ya wo fa wo cha asha wo kɔ na apa che say ade ade na mini ja to ade sam no kura mpo wo ye no na so me miskam de binya kwan
hey akua ma ye bia ma wo
ade na ye
wo ye boni aye akua
ade na ye
wo ye boni aye
wo de me kwa abroche kwa
asamagame so enti abroche kwa so san bo ma ye bia ma hey akua mi o
wa wo ye hwan
odi sika to mprada
which way wo di hia to mprada ne
which way asa enye na fitia ne ba ye which way akoko bari akoko mu a ye twe ne nso se be fa ne to oba be sia wutimi retintinga se de wo kan wonsa wo gi boso num retintinga se de wo ren kate bo we ene se from nti woda ayesi ya de oba bi ni
eyesen na de me hwan be ye oni akoko ya rosu na wo toma me no sabe mpredu asa na nya ntemu ana na nya dan wona na wo sie se wa yie wo ye yokosi da esi mi krom aduane ye se bidi a mi cha me nan ya eko
why are you so wicked
Akua ga anka shasha
na me nya dan
ana afuo munyu mu awade ko akutwa akonwa si won na me mu nkasa twa akonwa si won Akua chanso
sa konjani a wota
ko anu to
me don't me di mata me tu bia ba won
Akua
me fa sa ma double chikrada
Akua ga nkasa
wo da machi na ye
kwaku
o so da mani mu na ye wo da mani mu na ye da me boy try na ye da
wo da machi na ye
adi an
kwaku
adi an
wanku anu antuma amedo mefu me ebe pemo ochi
wo da machi
kwaku
enye dwonso na dwonso a wo di sogu mi so
onye ni papa
me da wachi a me kwadwo so na be bo awatra asosogu so
emu ano
adwonso
Akua
na ka me nyonso ti kwa na ka dwonso gu wanu
Akua mu ano mesedo ya wonfe se shika ho na mo ko mebo akọ nhoma chika o shari akometume yana chika wo ko yibi
na me posika
adin
me posika be ma ti se ni ntwa ni na ntwa yo wona se okopa my na oba ko
na wada wo mati mi ma ye bi pen enne na mago isi ya me na mo isi ye pa apart from mesika pensions kakakra pe na bet ma ko gina ko kwanso di adwuma na bet ma ye me ma show enne wo so ye wo fia wo so busanse ma no mtonton ne ma no wo chen wo mo wo so ra wo hyedem ti se ayi
wo betwa bi aye wo na ade hwe no e na abasha ko anu to
mema ye jira pa ho e to nsonkro nso aduro no ebi nuru
me ko ton de
sonkro nso aduro mema ye jira pa ho e to afala stop no
sonkro nso aduro no mo to no pa ho omje tire kro mu ina ese
awu obi
kwaku
obi
Akua
wo amu jatire nya ku amu tiri yakoma ani ayere mu
Akua
uti omu fio
umu me wa
uti omu fio
kwaku wa hwe kwantwe ye medo wo me ba promo wa
ebi wale me nan fofo
Akua
ebi wale me nan fofo
e no mo kan branch o
o ma na kan branch
wonya wo papa na
ma o ma ko homa na so na no woden
Akua ga he wonfe empanyi no chibe nku
na yense hu na o kan Bible free Mose ngume din kan e ko pema di sem Bible mu fine atwa se be mama ko homa
ko janse hu no keka
yes be ma be sam fifre na oba so be bre wo wawo
enti be ma ko sam fifre no oba be bre wo wawo mu oba wa da ba ko pe no wawo o se nka wo du na bre wawo mu na tika
wo ni boss wa 5 minutes per na 5 seconds what's what the funny inside no
Mon
5 seconds na peo ma mi je so come be make me me so get make me
Akwaku
me the boss 5 minutes
what talk
na yesem Friday dibi
akwaku obi acham where do you not come
aden na yiri be ka chere
aden Adai, my one ya ne baba boame. I'm a grana Joshua. My ass have a come talk on.
On baby ozu.
Akua.
On baby ozu. On baby ozu. Me who about what you say we let German crowd say.
No, so soon you German romantic.
No problem.
Kwaku wache.
And I'm pacho.
Unye ni papa na ati wo.
No be ka bia menya nu kwa.
Anyu kuru se etedebe. Hamanim. Hamanim. Adia be so hu.
Na no na
be dana so show hu say.
Na no na kasa.
Aide.
Na me da me nsa mo me go space. Awa na ba pese menya pneumonia.
Pneumonia so fa ba.
Pneumonia.
Pneumonia fa ba bi. Pneumonia fa ba bi. Who da o suggest ba mi ansa. No aka boss what about that shots. No ba mi ansa le.
Yo ade.
Da bi o shots ha ma yin kra for yes.
Ana ba kira wo.
Ade.
Be ma no ire da won sha taade. Oba nso won hwe yeto. Mo mo ho kwa.
Edu anyim yakrampa bi krampa. Wo betimi aso mu nso mu o. Wo ye nwa. Me hu an say ehye ba.
Ayo wo ade.
Da kwa ka dako.
Me hu no panyina wo.
Post ha de so say.
Me hu panyina wo edwama sa da. Me hu panyina wo edwama.
Mesaw.
Akua. Wan twen sha so a wo akoto.
Ma me ka jan say say akoma asem ne yake.
Akua no adege.
Akoma asem ne yake nto mama konhoma. Won mama konhoma.
Mama nche won ka fe na manwo se wuni ahoden wo.
Ma me nya no ne yaka. Anya no ne yaka konhoma na wo mome no. Ana me ka jan say be mo asade so bebo wo yira konhoma. First one na de sha padu o. Azu e sa palu. Se wo nim sa no hwe. Obra papa be na wo pa bon. Na se asetena pa be na wo pe. Na se jina be na be jina sa be ma. Aya adwuma ahame. Anu wo sam ne yaka.
Beba.
Wacha wana ne nam na adabetia. Ana kosi ye na ya so.
Wana ka gensi me. Yesa me so yakọ.
Wo ka gensi wana.
Empanyin to sande ko maba wadem. Me pese me panyin face me bre na me ye me insurance. Me insurance na me ye no. Eni mo fa sante.
Ene de.
Na se mo fa sante face kam na me nye na medidi.
Kanche hunu ne keka.
Me nye na medidi.
Ya wense hunu ne keka.
Me nye na medidi. Ni se wo be ka se wo ba.
Kwaku.
Wo fa se. Wo fa se. Ye wan pe bra mo. I want you to know fa se so.
Akua sa wonye.
Obi wan pe bra.
Wan pe bra bo no de ni to know fa.
Na me kan ni me hwe mo fa se. Kam ye kan ni me hwe mo fa se.
Wan so nkwankwa na yire ne ma.
Kam hwe mo fa se.
Wan so nkwankwa na yire ne ma.
Ma ji me hwe mo fa se.
Me nka sa nhwe no.
Na fe
e je fo ni nto no so.
It's me my investment. My
Come on tu.
No problem.
Come on tu na anye.
Come nka sa dia ma me so nkoi.
Ankabi.
Ma me de no anu ana maka no nya se bi tua fa mo so. Anu ana maka no.
Akua ma me.
So office want me ma akwa de a.
Akua.
Ania me nso. Me se me nso. Bibia bante mo mpa me kira. Anu mpa.
Meba. Hey, Nana.
Ejama do.
Nana manenko. Manenko. Me no
Hey, blah. My brother. Auje. Ladona. Yeah. Your friends here. Food do not day. Brother transportation not day. Our road do not good. What about Nepal people? They no get like.
I've been telling you that my name is not Awuche. My name is Uche.
Uche, oh, sorry.
Correct it.
Okay. Nigeria call Uche. Ghana call Awuche.
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 Who is Awuche?
You.
Your face like your behavior way they call.
Bro,
how are you?
I'm doing good. And you?
I should give you some church.
Oh, I'm okay. Don't mind me.
You don't say yesterday after we are coming from the land and we step outside over there. You know what happened?
What?
Some small kids, I don't know, they are too small. And then one is dying, like, and I'm saying, what is this? Ghana, I don't know, the behavior towards them. I'm accusing them,
you understand?
Wait, what you are saying that? You say what?
I'll tell you later.
You tell me later.
Yeah.
Because the way he's too much angry and then he say that. I say,
Abua means animal. You animal.
Okay, animal.
Yeah. Bro, you know something?
Okay.
I'm here because of the land.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. My baby, yeah.
Okay, you finish
Yeah,
everything?
finish everything.
Correct. You know, say I dey trust you.
What the man had
I dey
yourself?
trust you.
I'll told you already.
Yeah.
This town is belong to me.
Okay.
Even the chief,
Yeah.
he respect me. He salute me.
Okay.
Anytime the chief meet me, thank you, sir. And I'm saying, welcome, sir.
Hey.
So no, we don't have problem, I get the land. One thing we need is your details. I need your details, your passport pictures, your full name, and small things, and everything. We change the ownership into your name.
You mean the guarantors and the...
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
No problem. I think that is all.
That's all.
No problem. I don't have any problem.
So the money is ready. The money is ready.
So, I mean, when you need that money?
Even today. Even time crying and I'm okay.
I don't want a situation whereby I go give you that money, where you go make something else. That is exactly.
Oh.
If you need it, I go give you.
Trust me.
And then where is the papers and everything?
No problem. When you bring the details, we will do everything for you. Even time.
If I bring the money or if I bring
the details. Yeah, your passport
picture and everything. Everything
yes.
go settle.
That one did first before the money.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay. I don't have any problem.
So
I'm coming.
Okay.
Let's go. Let me catch the money for you. Yeah, let's go and let me catch the money for you.
Okay, no problem.
Please, come. I don't know the way things is going. The way I'm going to see that this thing is very good. Try as possible to make things good. According to the person. I don't want any situation whereby we go tell something. We are good there, you say like this, you two go tell like this. If like anything we go tell, you know how the way sometimes I behave myself. I want you, the two of us, to make it clear, to make it good, peacefully. Do you understand me? Yes. Because if like not peacefully, we no go make clear.
No, don't fear anything.
Okay.
If Jesus your friend, don't fear hell.
It's good that Jesus way say I should not fear. I'm a human being, I have to fear human being. Because human being is not Jesus.
But trust me.
I should trust you.
Trust you. You are my best friend. You know it.
Okay.
And I want everything genuine for you.
Okay. Okay.
Biboni ana seti boni, ebusia me free mu dia me ntiasio. Me nya me yi, chemase. Yeah.
Maybe at that time they didn't even curse you because he's one of those who curses. So he'll be calling and 20 and curse.
Yeah. Okay, by the way, what is happening?
There's no water there.
Still speeding. Okay, Akua. Wait.
One hand in the Kasa. It is so say Asante.
Yeah. Akua says it's okay.
Akua be.
Akua.
It's for you.
So I want to fight with him.
Ah.
Yeah, I want to fight with him.
Okay, you want to fight with your father?
No.
What do you say?
Hey.
I want to fight with you.
Okay. Hey.
I won't fight for my father.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going rolling. Picking our market. Still speeding. Action.